welcome to the Cardboard Toy Maker. In this episode, we're learning how to make superhero Peppa Pig. Are you ready? And let's do it! Alright, you just saw the slideshow. I hope you're inspired. Get out there, go make your own Peppa Pig. And we hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We are picky.